Understanding, issued an apology. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a commonly used English phrase, issued an apology. This expression is widely used in both formal and informal contexts. But what does it actually mean? Let's break it down together and explore its nuances to enhance your English language skills. Issued an apology means that someone has formally expressed regret for something they've done wrong. The word issued here implies a formal or public announcement, suggesting that the apology is not just said in private but is made known to a broader audience. This phrase is often used in news reports, official statements from companies, or public apologies by public figures. Issued. This verb suggests an official or formal action, akin to publishing or announcing something. An apology. This noun phrase refers to a statement expressing regret for an action or statement that has caused harm or offense to others. Together, the phrase conveys a sense of responsibility and acknowledgement of a mistake, along with an attempt to make amends. 1. In the media. When public figures, celebrities, or politicians make a mistake, they often issue an apology through press releases or social media. 2. In the corporate world, companies issue apologies to their customers for errors in service, product issues, or other mistakes impacting their stakeholders. 3. Personal relationships. Though less formal, the concept still applies when someone takes steps to formally acknowledge a mistake and apologize to those affected. The CEO issued an apology for the company's environmental practices after public outcry. After the misunderstanding, he issued a heartfelt apology to his friend via a letter. The government issued an official apology for the historical injustices. These examples show how the phrase can be adapted to various contexts, emphasizing the action of making amends. Understanding the phrase, issued an apology, not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you grasp the importance of accountability and formal expressions of regret in the English-speaking world. Whether you're watching the news, reading articles, or engaging in discussions, recognizing and using this phrase accurately can significantly enhance your communication skills. We hope this video has been informative and helpful. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.